If your Cadillac CT4 is struggling with Apple CarPlay dropouts or connection failures, we have 5 ways to fix it right now. Surprisingly, over 60% of CarPlay issues in the CT4 are caused by worn-out cables rather than the infotainment system itself. Before you head to the dealership, let's walk through the diagnostic checklist to isolate the problem. Start with a clean slate by forgetting the device on both your phone and the car before attempting a fresh pair. Software bugs are common, so verify that both your iOS and the Cadillac CUE system are fully up to date. Check for physical obstructions like pocket lint in your phone's port and always use an Apple-certified cable. If wireless CarPlay is glitching, switching to a wired connection is the most reliable way to maintain a stable link. Data shows that hardware failure in the car is rare, with cables and software bugs accounting for most issues. A full power cycle of the car's accessory system can often clear deep-seated communication errors between modules. Check your iPhone's privacy settings to ensure CarPlay isn't being blocked by screen time or a VPN. Most connectivity issues are resolved through simple software maintenance rather than physical repairs. If these steps didn't work, it might be time for a dealership firmware flash. Drive safe and enjoy the ride.